Hello everyone, myself Juhi Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel Calligraphystylez. So here in this video, I will be going to explain a very simple 5 minutes floral wreath which you can do using a normal sketch pen. So I hope you will enjoy the video throughout. If you will recreate it, please do tag me over Instagram. I will link my Instagram handle below at the description box. You can check that as well. And also if you will enjoy the video, please do like it, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel as well. And also do let me know which type of videos you want more in my YouTube channel. So I hope you will enjoy. Keep watching.